In today's video, I will be roasting some Brussels sprout and carrot. Now, Brussels sprout is not a common Jamaican vegetable, but I like to try a variety of vegetables, especially when they have a lot of nutrients. Brussels sprout is rich in vitamin C, which keeps your immune system strong and helps your body soak up the iron from your meals. So this is definitely a great way to stay energized and healthy. Vitamin K is another key nutrient that is found in Brussels sprout, and it is great for your bones and it helps your blood clot the way it should. Just remember though, if you're on blood thinners, you might want to think about how much Brussels sprout you add to your diet. Carrots are naturally sweet, but they're low in calories and they definitely satisfy the taste bud without weighing you down. So that bright orange color that comes from the beta carotene, which is an antioxidant that helps your body turns it into vitamin A. Cut your vegetables in similar sizes so they can cook evenly. Brussels sprout is also rich in antioxidants. It's like your body's own internal cleanup crew. It works to protect your cells. Brussels sprout have so many health benefits. Another one is that it's high in fiber, which is good for a healthy gut. And you know that it supports digestion, it boosts your mood, and it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Now, when it comes to seasoning, you know, we Jamaican will love when time the food tastes good. So it needs to have lots of flavor. Don't forget, that some of these herbs and spices have them own health benefits what them add to the food as well. Now, me not going to leave out the garlic. Garlic is good for so many things, including high blood pressure. Garlic also helps boost your immune system and help you lower your cholesterol levels. Many people don't know that garlic is also a natural antibiotic. Onion and garlic go so well together. The flavor is unbelievable. Onions also have many health benefits. They are a great source of vitamin C, they have many antioxidants, and they support bone health. And just like garlic, onions also have antibacterial properties. I am using olive oil in this dish today, but you can use whichever oil you have. Coconut oil is a good option, plus the flavor is unmatched. Now, once you add all the seasoning and the olive oil, just go ahead and toss them to distribute the flavors throughout. Put it in the oven at about 425 degrees. Now, I will be serving this with some curry chicken and some lentil rice. Alright, depending on the type of oven you have and how crispy you want it, it may take you anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes to be ready. Now, one of the things I do to make every meal healthier is to add some kind of vegetable as a side dish. Can't go wrong. Now, thanks for watching, and as usual, here is a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.